Thank you so much for your question, and we'll be moving on to the next question. Please feel free to ask anything.
Since we're talking about gadgets, how much time do you spend for in gadgets and alin-alin yung mga binabrowse mo talaga daily?
Actually, nauubos ang oras ko din minsan sa Twitter eh. Oo. Totoo yung sinabi ng coach Lea na early daw, it means mapa-negative o positive. Ano pa ba? Facebook, hindi po ako Facebook eh. Yun lang, at saka, syempre YouTube, kasi yung mga videos ko, yung mga performances ko, yung review ko doon.
Yung tweets, so nababasa mo yung mga negative comments. How do you react, or do you just then, or talagang it affects you?
Syempre, it will always affect me. Diba po? Syempre, pag may negative words na binabato sa'yo, it will affect you. But, syempre, dapat you won't allow them to affect you in a negative way na masyadong madidepress. Before, nag-uumpisa po ako. Pero ngayon, parang kinukuha ko yung mga constructive criticisms. Ay parang motivation siya sa akin to become a better artist and person. So, yun.
Yung mga, ano ba, ka-teammates mo ba sa The Voice mo bigyan mo ng offer?
Pwede. Oo. Why not? Masok yan. Masok ka na natin.
Alright, thank you. We'll move on to the next question, and we would like to request that you keep the questions about the Mirror 5. Remember to state your name and company, please.
I'd like to ask, what other innovations has Oppo in store aside from the built-in remote control?
Well, for the Mirror 5, we have updated our ColorOS, which is now a 2.1 version. And secondly, it is built on top of the Android Lollipop. So given this new upgrade, you can see a better, fast-performing phone. Apart from that, we also have a pure image technology that enhances the pictures, the quality that you take from them. And like what Sarah has mentioned earlier, she tried to for herself. We saw a lot of different functionalities and features for photography, which, like such the likes of the time lapse. We also have the super G. So we have different features, that can really, be able to inspire people to take more photos, to communicate more.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to have our last two questions, so make them count.
Good evening. Inigo Ordana from Interaction.com. This one's for Mr. Hung. I have two questions. May I ask you questions? Yeah.
Sure.
Mr. Hung, you described Oppo as conquering the market in the Philippines after 1 year. What do you think is one description of the Mirror 5 that will help you further conquer this market in this market?
Well, in terms of Mirror 5, I think the tagline itself will stand for it. The spark of brilliance. That will help us conquer the market further.
Thank you, sir. For Sarah, what can you do as the face of the Mirror 5 and Oppo in order to further conquer the smartphone arena, which is quite difficult to, because Oppo is a late runner in the game, and you think you can help in pushing it further?
Hopefully,
Kahit Tagalog.
Oo, Tagalog po ako talaga. Oo, hopefully malaki yung maibigay dito ng contribution as the newest endorser for Oppo. Like what I've said earlier, kasi on the go po ako na tao, lagi akong nasa trabaho. So, talagang very useful yung ganitong klase ng Android na phone na ang daming functionalities, ang daming features na talagang kailangan ko para sa trabaho ko and also for my personal life. So, ayun, so nakikita nila akong ginagamit yung phone and also pag nabigyan ng pagkakataon na bilang pag-share, pagbahagi ng blessings, makapamigay din tayo ng mga phones, diba? So, diba?
Thank you.
All right, so we're moving on to our last question.
Hi, Sarah. I'm just currently from TV. I'd like to ask, would you encourage the youth of today to be updated sa technology or maging techy sila? And ano yung advice mo para maging responsible youth sila ngayon?
Oo, ako mahirap yung question na yun. Ano, depende sa age bracket eh. Kasi, meron certain age, halimbawa, siguro para sa akin, tama na yung age na 18 para magkaroon ka na sa mga cellphone. Kasi, parang ano ka na, teenager ka na, mas aware ka na sa kung ano man yung pwede mo makita sa internet, sa social media, mas responsible ka na, may awareness ka na. Alam mo na rin kung ano yung tama, kung ano yung mali na natitignan mo sa internet, di ba? So, yun, kumbaga, ano lang po, responsible na pag-handle lang siguro sa mga gadgets. And ang may say naman dyan ay mga magulang, di ba po?
All right, and thank you again for those questions. And we'd like to thank Mr. Garrett Hung, Ms. Sarah Geronimo again, and Mrs. Maria Isabella A. Santilla.
So we'd like to say again thank you to all of our media partners and other people who are here. Just before we end, we'd like to say we hope that we look forward that everybody will patronize our product, the new Mirror 5. So thank you.
All right, and watch out for more news and updates. You can see them on Oppo website or follow them on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And just to thank you for being with us today, to share this